guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've quit my job, I've sold my house. I am now living in a van full time. To give you a tour of what we've achieved of the van. So I've made this curtain. It's black one side and white the other. It's just a blackout sort of material, so it's quite heavy, and that goes across. So when we're sleeping from the outside it just looks like a normal bulkhead, but it keeps the cold out and the warmth in. Above here we've done the bulkhead, attached some little sparrow hooks that I got from Portugal, and then this will be the wardrobe, but at the moment it's still full of stuff that we haven't organised. So I'll take you around this way. Above the door we just have a photo frame, which is from the range. I need to put some photos in there. A clock from IKEA. A toilet roll holder. A magnet from IKEA. Very strong magnet, so these are stuck on there when we're driving. Our little spice rack, which worked really well, nothing falls off. A little chopping board on a bent screw, so that doesn't fall off. And then the tea, coffee and sugar, which just screws on. We've screwed the lids to there. Of course a bottle opener. And this is the kitchen area. Okay, so this sink is a camping sink. It was off eBay, I believe, and the tap was also off eBay. It's a pump tap. This is the cooker. So we've just bolted this down to the worktop. It has 2 rings and a grill. This is the table. So that just pulls out to create extra workspace, or if you're sat here it's a nice little desk. And we've achieved that with just the push hinges from B&Q, just 2 of those. So underneath the kitchen are the curtains. So I decided I wanted curtains because easier access for everything underneath, and easier to make. So I made the curtains. I just got the fabric from a local shop, and they are just on a wire runner. Underneath this one are the water tanks. So the back one is the waste and the front one is the clean water, and they just attach from the sink and the tap. And then under this curtain we have the pan drawer, non-stick fabric, ensures they don't move whilst driving, very handy. We just have some extra storage under here for food, the bin, dog food and the gas canister. That's not filled, that's empty. We need to make the locker for it, and a ventilation pipe. So then going on to the bed, it's a full-size double, 6 foot long, with a comfy mattress, and we just have some overhead storage. These are from IKEA. They are supposed to be on the side with shelves, but we took the shelving out and it just has just some bits and bobs at the moment. I need to create a proper storage area for those so they don't fall over when we're driving. That's just attached to the wall and to the support beams on the side. And then this side we just have some fairy lights and the bed. And then moving on over here is the toilet area. We don't have the toilet at the moment, but that will be at the bottom. And then up at the top, just created some storage with some baskets and that wire again so they don't fall out. And then under the bed, the baby gate attaches to the bench with a magnet, and that's Albus's area. So he has a full-size extra large bed which is wipeable, and he sleeps in there at night, and then when we are driving we shut the front and the back cage just so he's nice and secure for safety. And this is the bench area, so we just have a bookshelf with some books in there, mirror, very important, and I made the bench seat with some 4-inch foam, and I just covered it with some plain grey fabric. And then this opens, so under here we just have storage at the moment, so the electrics are that side, and this side will be the cooler, but we haven't got that yet. So the back also has a baby gate, so if we wanted to open the back doors we can leave him in there whilst he can look out. That just easily opens for him to come in and out. Albie, come on, up in your bed. Oh, good boy, good boy. You can lie down. So at the moment the garage area just has these two sides. This side has mainly just got the tools and the toolbox. This side has quite a lot. I need to organise it. We have actually been able to fit the spare wheel in this side of the garage. And the shower will be here. We just have a pump shower and the hose will attach up here so we can have an outdoor shower, and that will be full of all of our soaps and shower stuff. Do you want to come back out? Come on then. I've had to put my sunglasses on because my hay fever is just killing me today. So that is the van tour. I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all soon. Bye.